Manipura Chakra. As the name suggests, Manipura. Mani means jewel. It is called the city of jewels. Manipura. In your navel itself, there is city of jewels. When you move into the inward journey, everything is attained from inside. One gets to understand that there is no need to go in search of everything or anything. Everything is inside. Manipura Chakra is very, very powerful chakra. This chakra is energized by fire. This chakra gets energized by the most simplest method called the faith energy. Faith in the universe. Many people have asked me what is the meaning of faith. Faith means understanding that there is a cosmic power which is a guiding force to each one of the creation in the universe. And this cosmic power is guiding us. It is guiding every footstep of ours in the right direction so that we can walk the path towards light from where the universe becomes one to you. That is faith. Understanding that there is a power higher than you who is the doer. That is faith. When I ask you to have faith in the universe, we have to understand it from our own life. Fire energy is an energy that digests your food. For all the people who have problem in digestion, this chakra, when awakened, will help you to not only digest your food, keep your emotions in balance, express them, and convert everything to peace. So, Manipura Chakra is a chakra from where physical body uses this energy every day to digest the intake called food. Keep that fire burning in a positive way. Converting all the fear and insecurity to faith will help us to become very peaceful and relaxed. Each one of us are only looking for peace all the time. We are all looking for a state of relaxation, and hence we turn to so many material things in our life journey, thinking that would give us peace. When the peace is very short-lived, again you start searching. But all our searching is always outwards. For a seeker who has turned inwards, automatically the understanding that everything is inside, and when I am relaxed, everything is more beautiful and synchronized. That thought overpowers everything else. These three chakras, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, all the three of them are placed at a distance, short distance inside our navel itself. So these three chakras are very, very powerful chakras. Awakening of one leads to the awakening of the other and the awakening of the third. Faith is one of the most powerful energies that connects the entire universe. All the creation on this earth has faith. The tree has faith in the universe. If you look at the birds, the animals, any of the creation has faith, and hence they're able to survive. If you look at the bird, it lets go of its siblings once it teaches them to fly, having complete faith in the universe that they can survive. Faith exists in all the other creations except human. Human beings are always in a state of fear or insecurity because they are not able to connect to the universe. They are not able to move inwards. Their senses are occupying them outwards always. So today's session, we are going to use a method in which we learn to have faith, awaken the faith energy, convert the fear and insecurity to faith. This method is very, very powerful. This is from my own knowing. With the guidance of my inner guru, I would like to share this method with each one of you. I express gratitude to all of you for listening to these methods and appreciating these methods, writing back to me in gratitude. I have faith in the universe that will connect me to beautiful seekers who are looking for this kind of a method. We will start our session today by sitting in a comfortable position. Faith energy being the most powerful energy, let us pay attention to each and every word that I am going to share with you so that you reap complete benefit. Become grateful to the space that you have when you're sitting. Express gratitude to your parents. Express gratitude to all your teachers. Express gratitude to all the 5 elements, namely the earth, fire, space, air, sky. These energies keep you alive. Let us express gratitude to the cosmic energy and pray for its pouring. We begin a meditation session to energize Manipura chakra by becoming aware of everything good that has happened to us. Let us become aware of all the good things that has happened to us. The next 5 minutes, let us make a list of all the things that you had faith would express gratitude to all the good situations that's happened in your life. You're acknowledging them. When you acknowledge them, you're placing faith in them. When you place faith in them, you're attracting more and more of peace energy. You're attracting more and more of relaxation energy. When you're doing that, when you're attracting faith and relaxation energy, automatically for those who are visual, you will start seeing translucent white color. Those who are in the sensation mode will feel coolness in your entire navel region. Faith energy is very, very powerful. It is so powerful that when you believe it will happen, it will happen. The affirmation for faith energy will be everything happens for good. There is a guiding force in the universe that is guiding each one of us. And there is goodness in whatever happens to us. There is a learning in whatever happens to us. That understanding gives power to the Manipura chakra and increases your faith. Now the next session that we are going to have is that we are going to become aware of the fear and insecurity that we have so that it gets converted to faith. Just understanding, making a list of fear, making a list of insecurities of the future, just acknowledging them itself converts them to faith energy. When you make a list of fear and face them, understand them, do not use the word I have fear of. Just use words fear of height, fear of losing. Make a sentence like fear of. The fear is not for you. You are divine. The fear is a part of ego that has occupied a space in your navel. Now we are going to address the fear starting from your childhood. Make a list of all the fear and face them. When you face them, they get converted to faith. How to face fear or any insecurity about the future? Let us take an example of fear of height. Become aware of a tall building. You're standing on the top of the tall building. Feel that the universe is holding you. And as if when you are on the top looking down, there are a lot of steps. There are a lot of steps touching the ground, and you're walking down the steps very carefully with somebody holding your hands. Visualize that. You can even visualize railings to the side of the steps so that you feel you can hold the railings when you come down. And when you're climbing down the stairs, you're enjoying the sight, both looking up at the sky and looking down at the earth. You're enjoying the tiny things on the earth, and you're walking down. Each and every breath, outgoing breath, you're surrendering. And the power that is holding you is very gentle and soft and is guiding you beautifully. Slowly, as you reach the mid path of the steps, tell the power you would like to try to walk on your own. Slowly leave the hands of the power, and knowing that the power is with you, there is no need for it to hold the hands. You develop the faith to walk on your own. Slowly walk down those rest of the steps, singing a song or smiling, looking at the sky, appreciating the earth. Whatever you like to do, you're enjoying those steps halfway through to the earth. You're celebrating those steps. Now you've come to the last step. You've taken a jump from the last step and you're looking up. The building is tall. You've walked down so many steps from the top of that building. Effortlessly, your fear of heights get converted to faith that there is a power when need be, will take care of you. Similarly, for others, make your own list of that particular fear and imagine, visualize a situation from where you're overcoming the power, overcoming the fear with the help of a power, and you're able to convert it to faith. This exercise will help you convert all the fear to faith, peace energy. Similarly, make a list of insecurities of the future. What is the fear for the future that you have? Make a list of that and slowly convert that to faith by imagining that you are in that situation and there is a guiding force that is helping you tide that situation. Doing this exercise, as you do this exercise itself, will start feeling coolness and hollowness inside your navel. There will be a pleasant feeling and you will understand your own powers that is in your Swadhisthana chakra awakening and guiding you. You will also feel the earth energy. You will feel the faith energy. You will feel three energies working with you and beautifully converting everything to peace energy. Next 15 minutes we are going to make a list of fear and insecurity, each one of us, and convert it into peace and faith energy. Blessed is that soul, that being who has faith in the universe and the universal powers. Faith is such a big instrument, energy, that it makes you as free as a bird and helps you fly in the vast sky as far as you want. That is the power of faith energy. Celebrate life with faith energy. You can convert this energy. Even with this affirmation, everything happens for good. The universe is guiding me, walking beside me. Each step that I take is holding me. The universe is always taking me towards the light. Each and every instrument of the universe is helping me serve the purpose of my life. Celebrate life with faith.